Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your BugJager is charged, the app is installed, and Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Next, power on the BugJager and watch the LED for the pairing blink. This indicates the device is in setup mode. Once the LED blinks, open the app and grant location and Bluetooth permissions. The app needs them to discover the device. If your phone prompts for Wi-Fi selection, pause here and prepare your 4 GHz network credentials. Now, select your BugJager from the app's device list and begin Wi-Fi configuration. The app will prompt for the network SSID and password. Enter them carefully and verify you chose the 4 GHz option because BugJager often won't connect to 5 GHz networks. Once submitted, the device will attempt to join the network. You'll see progress indicators. If a firmware update appears, allow it. Updates fix stability and security. After installation, the app will re-establish the connection automatically. Finish by verifying the BugJager is online in the app and run a quick test, like a ping or live sensor check, to confirm data flow. If it doesn't connect, make sure the router is on and not blocking new devices. Try rebooting the router and moving BugJager nearer to eliminate interference. As a last resort, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 seconds and then repeat the pairing process. This clears corrupted settings and often resolves stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.